Hello again, everyone. Louis Setti speaking as the Blue Ridge Reporter, September 8th, 2011, speaking about Newt Gingrich and the North American Free Trade Agreement, which are easy to remember together by thinking of the former House Speaker as NAFTA Newt. In this video, we'll get into the content of the agreement just briefly, and also how the United States Department of Agriculture, in its Foreign Agricultural Affairs website, symbolizes the meaning of NAFTA by co-joining it, in essence, with a flag that doesn't exist, at least at the moment, but a digital composite of what the flag consists of, the sovereignties that have been joined under NAFTA. And the flag includes a component of the United States flag, a component of the Mexican flag, and a component of the Canadian flag melded together. A picture can tell you 1,000 words. That particular symbol has real meaning. The content of NAFTA can be found online, North American Free Trade Agreement text. Google it, you'll find it, you can read it for yourself. The agreement speaks of measures. Through the text, it speaks of measures. Measures are, in fact, as the definitional section explains, laws, regulations, ordinances, any action by any government within Canada, Mexico, and the United States is deemed under the Act a measure. And what does the Act say later in the text? That a measure, meaning a law from any of these countries, is subject to nullification. Understand that. It is subject to nullification if a party to the agreement or a person within a party being one of the countries, or a business in one of the countries, makes a claim to the NAFTA Secretariat, which is an office created under NAFTA to review the complaint. The Secretariat office consists of 3 parts, and as you might guess, 1 component each from Canada, the United States, and Mexico. And through a somewhat complicated, somewhat obtusely worded document, the essence of it is that this Office of Secretariat can then make a determination about the validity of the claim. And there are repeated references to the hopes that there will be consultations and negotiations and arbitrations and agreement and settlement of whatever dispute might arise. In the end, if there is no such happy ending, then the Office of Secretariat will be able to nullify the offending measure. And if the offending nation, as I understand the document, refuses to take action to nullify on its own legal books, so to speak, the offending measure, then the Secretariat can impose against that offending national party compensation. This is basically a transnational trade court. So that's the summary of the substance of it. I invite you to read through the text of the North American Free Trade Agreement. But I would like you to come back for the next video, which will discuss in reality, in actual truth, what does an unconstitutional agreement really mean regarding the obligations, so to speak, of the United States and its purported authority to nullify our laws. Thank you. I hope you come back and see that video.